Today, I'm gonna be doing okay, I forgot what it was called. What am I doing? What was I gonna say? I'm making a video on the Regulator Nerf gun. Let's see. So the Regulator Nerf gun comes with 2 of these mags. 12 mod magazine, stiff mag. I know my stuff. It comes with the 6 stock that holds a magazine. And these front barrel attachments. You can just easily put them on there, but I'm not going to because it gets rid of your, it takes away performance. There's a carry thingy, and also, I saw this on a video by Coop. You can actually put this in the back into like storm mode by just, look, you just put it in this little hole right here. Boom. And now it's in like store mode. I did not know that was a thing. Like, I just thought that was a magazine holder thing. I never even noticed the little hole right there. Like, what? Who found that? I mean, it probably says it on the box. I probably didn't even look. But now we're going to be testing out the fire. It says it shoots about 70 feet per second. I don't have a chronograph or whatever it's called, so I'm just going to be showing you me shooting it. Oh. There you go. Or you can go to 3-round burst or full auto. I only had 4 bullets left, that's why I only shot 4 bullets, but you can go into full auto. Sick blaster. I really want to modify it. Yep. That's the Regulator.